My bad. I'm making a video right now to shout out my stream, get myself out there. I'm gonna start posting clips. All right. Let's see. Okay. So yesterday, you guys know. Okay, so yesterday, as you know, I blew an account because on well last week I took a payout. I had 2K in the account, took a band out, had 1,000 to lose. I risked 500 to trade, and I lost Monday and I lost yesterday on that account. So then I blew it. I still have my other account, but like once I hopped off stream, I bought it. I bought one eval. I got halfway to passing it, and then when the trading day ended, I think around like 5 o'clock the at night for me. It was like technically a different trading day. Hold on. This supplement literally cleared my skin, which is crazy. It's called Be Clear. My skin became so clear, especially around this time of year. I usually break out a lot. But anyways, here, let me show you. So I bought an eval, got half-footed passing, and then I traded Asia session to pass it. So as you can see, balance is 0, 2,000. It's brand new, you know? No trades taken. And then this is the older Express account, so I have 1,000 left in it. I believe I'm gonna win today. So let's just see. Move that back up there. I shouted out this live stream on TikTok. My idea is like I'm completely like honest. Like if I have like a bad day, if I'm mad, I tell you guys. My emotions, I tell you guys. But I execute live. And like this journey is like it's a lonely journey, but it doesn't have to be. We can all get through this like together. Like I'm technically, despite me doing it for 2 years, I'm still technically a beginner. I only got 3 payouts, and I got my first payout in November, second payout in December. No, second payout in November too, but then my third payout in December. But like my whole point is like this is a whole journey, and like we can all go through it together. So like just tune into my stream. Like you don't have to be alone when you're in your room on the charts. You could look to your right and see that we're on the charts together. We're doing our analysis together. This isn't a lonely journey. This is a growing journey. It doesn't have to be lonely. You don't have to feel alone. You don't have to feel sad. This is fun. Like being alone is like a privilege in my opinion. And like let's be alone together. You feel me? Let's all like we're alone, but like we're all alone. Like you're alone, I'm alone. But like, like we're being alone together. This is like just us. And we're all on a mission. Like anybody who's watching this stream, we're all on a mission to grow. So let's all grow together. Anyways, I want longs, but I already know what would cause me to short because ES is way closer to these highs. I have a feeling that nasdaq is gonna catch up, but my feelings are never right. So we're gonna wait on that. I'm gonna delete some drawings on my big screen. This is the TikTok I posted. Let me see. Yeah. It said, new to trading, do you feel disconnected from the whole trading community because you can't tell what's real or fake? Tap into my live on YouTube, Patricius, and watch me trade my 2 Express accounts live. I have 3 payouts since November of 2025. Let's grow together. Watch my stream and don't go through this journey alone. Like that's fire marketing right there. Obviously, like I just started, so I'm gonna have to post consistently, and like that video is probably not gonna perform too great. But I'm gonna be posting clips. I'll be going through clips of my streams and posting them. Because they all go on YouTube, so it's like so easy to clip it right now. I just hit record. And I think there's also a clip button. So 8 minutes till the market opens. After this, so around, I have to go to the gym, but not the gym. I mean, yeah, the gym. I have to go to the dentist first, though, at 9. I'm probably just gonna go to the gym from there, but I am picking up my retainer. I don't want to take that to the gym. Probably drop it off back here. Finally, I'm getting my retainer, bro. I broke the bottom one. I've been wearing a broken one. But placed my order. We're chilling. What the fuck? How's this dude pulling? He's him. That shit I gotta look into. What the fuck? The hell? Dude had a whole girlfriend. They were like, damn. But yeah, this is like a whole journey. I love the grind. I love the hustle. I love knowing that I'm just becoming better every single day, and every day I'm taking a new risk, a new step. And I love being the man that I aspired to be. Like, I love being that person from within. Because I know that not slowly, I'm quickly becoming that version of myself. Like, literally, like, I got, in August, like, I felt so far. Because no, August I didn't feel far. August I was actually eligible for a 1K payout, but I didn't take it. And then in November, I know it's the next month I lost that account because that was the one time I started risking 500 a trade. And then, yeah, the one week I started doing that, I blew it in 3 days. But anyways, I felt so far from a payout. I felt so far from like where I wanted to be because I was like, wow, I just did all this work and I just lost it all in 3 days after a month of trading amazingly. And then in September, I just went through a cycling phase of these accounts. And in October, I regained my mental stability, started sticking to my rules, started focusing on growing. And late October, I built an account, got the winning days. In the beginning of November, I got a payout. Later in November, I got another payout. In December, I got a payout. After performing, I had red weeks every week of December until the last week. And I got a payout because the red weeks weren't too big. Before that, they were just like one winning day worth of red days. It was, and then like that one week I made 3,600 basically dogging on all the losses. But like December was all psychological too. Like I was making mistakes because I blew an account the first week of December, and that really messed with me mentally as well. Because I didn't blow it because of my strategy or because of the way I traded. I blew it because I ate a crumble cookie while I traded, and that gave me an insane impulsive sugar rush. I ate two crumble cookies while I traded, just couldn't focus at all. And then so I didn't even like I blew an account and then I blew another account. I had three accounts and I blew one account, and like that one I shouldn't have blown, but I wasn't paying attention. Blew that one. Then later in the day I thought I'm trading an eval. I had two tabs open, one for the eval, one for the express. Traded both accounts with like two nasdaq contracts, and I was like, why isn't it letting me do five? Didn't realize till I'm down like 500, basically blowing another account because I had three accounts, but like they all had different drawdowns. So that was that. And then I had $1,000 left into another account on the next day, on the next day. So I would have actually gotten another payout too. So I would have started the month with a payout if I just didn't eat a crumble cookie that day. Because that day I couldn't focus at all. Like I was just not locked in. By the way, we just split ties, didn't sweep it. Yes. Did on Nasdaq though. Right? No, we didn't actually. This is why I go on my big screen because I trade MNQ, but I can't view the real Nasdaq chart. The real Nasdaq chart is what matters to me. MNQ, I just look at it for my 30-second executions. But yeah, I enter with micros because I don't want to enter with the Nasdaq and have to hope that I'm risking 500 when I could just adjust it with micros. It's like way more practical for me. Kayla, market's about to open in a minute. Yeah, last month was a lot of lessons. I learned not to eat crumble cookies while I'm trading, and I learned not to trade evals. Well, make sure I'm actually trading the eval. Because that trade, so I was down 500. I exited. I was like, oh no, I don't want to blow all of my accounts. I already blew another one. I had one more left. I got it back to break even the next day. But like, so I lost that another account, and then what's it called? The next day. Wait, no, that trade would have won. So if I just hadn't left it, I would have actually just made all the money back on the other Express account. Because let's not forget, I lost two times $500 that day. Because one in the morning when I made that mistake, because I wasn't focused, and then one later in the day because I thought I was trading an EVA. Market open, we saw ties. Let me log in. Then we're talking about it. ES failed to sweep highs. We're lower on NASDAQ. ES swept highs. NASDAQ went higher. But ES is higher in the long run. ES is about to sweep out all its highs. He tapped the highest high. Let me just show you guys. The highest high. Tapped it. We're gonna go back to MNQ. 30 seconds. We're lower on NASDAQ, and now ES basically is no reason to go up. He broke. I don't know if I'm comfortable with this. My break even could be that point. Targets. There's some good targets to the downside. I don't know. We'll have to see. So use targets, split the highs on ES. It's gonna be break even.
Order filled. Order filled.
Sure. Damn. No way.
Order filled.
ES literally shot down while NASDAQ just went up. Oh my gosh, bro. And we have one more trade left in one of my accounts. Two more in this one. I'm pretty annoyed again. Because what the fuck was that? Like, ES literally shit on lows. Well, NASDAQ didn't. Alright. So far, this is probably one of my worst weeks. 430 left in this account. Yes, Nasdaq still failed to sweep the high. Just gotta stay patient. Things happen, I guess, but that was really annoying. Now this is going on. I'm assuming ES is just gonna completely sweep the high on Isaac is hopefully gonna stay lower. Tap the high. Did he sweep it? He swept it, I think. Did he sweep it? I think it's how it works. I'm not gonna answer. He broke. Still not gonna answer though. Because we didn't sweep that high. We made it perfectly equal. Just 1 minute. So we completely filled the gap. I just want to see another S&T. And nasdaq is going to take out that high, I'm sure. Because ES is lower. Nasdaq is about to sweep it, I think. Okay, we swept it. There's no more perfectly equal highs. ES swept all the highs. Okay, now I'm actually looking at short, like, again. Okay, so we took out a majority of the reasons to go up. We have these draws on liquidity. Break even would be the low. That's my that's the break even. That's the break. So if we close below that with the next candle, okay, we took out all the highs now. I don't like that that happened, but let's look at ES. ES is about to sweep all-time highs. That's a huge S&T. I'm for sure looking at short now. Okay, we didn't break. Want to see Nasdaq fail to take out highs. Yes, it's higher. We took out the money. Yes, on the lower time frame. Okay, we split the high. This is when I want price to like. I don't want us to sweep that high. I want us to go down and just break right now. Because ES is still going ahead. Why are we going ahead? Okay, we did not sweep all-time highs on ES. I'm tripping. We're close, but we didn't sweep it yet. We swept a good 4 hour gap though, for sure. Our 4 hour high, we for sure have an S&T. And we have an S&T here.
Order filled.
I entered because ES failed to sweep close while Nasdaq didn't. There was an SMT, and then Nasdaq got a 30-second break and we filled it for a 30-second gap. My break even is going to be this 1 hour high over here, and my take profit is a 4 hour high. This is my final trade. Hmm. We now have an SMT here, so I'm gonna play this safely. Let's see what we get. Because we also now have an SMT at the lows, so I'm hoping we keep failing to sweep on our downside. We just go in from here. Let's see how this next candle is. So I want us to take out that high. Let's see how we move with this candle. I'm gonna delete that real quick so I can focus. Okay. Swept it again. We're taking out more highs on NASDAQ than he is. But like we have a higher time frame S&T still. But then we're still like showing bullish structure on NASDAQ. So I'm gonna keep waiting. Just play it patiently. Just we're respecting this gap, it looks like. I want us to reject it basically and just go up. The first candle kind of did it.
Order filled.
I left that because we broke to the downside. And we had an SMT at this high. I wasn't comfortable with that. So I lost 12 bucks on that one. Let's see how much I have left in this account. Still close to like 400.
Order filled.
I'll be break even. If he sweeps the low, I'll go break even. Looks like NASDAQ is about to. Gotta wait. Oh
Order
shit.
filled.
Fuck. That was an accident. I thought we were about to sweep the low. Shit, bruh. And we're about to sweep the low. Fuck, bro. I was looking up. I was trying to I was literally about to move it back up there too, bro. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, bro. Oh fuck, that's so unlucky, bro. Oh. Oh, bro. Why did I do that? I was literally about to move it back up, bro, because I was like, oh shit, we didn't take out the low. Hmm, fuck me, dude. I'm actually so good, bro. Hmm, my gosh, dude. Why did I do that? Tina says I'm not gonna change anything. It's whatever. Yes is about a sweet 5 minute lows. I'm embarrassed as shit, bro. And I do this on live. I deserve that. I deserved it. Because I know I shouldn't be doing that. Like, I do that shit all the time. Because I'm like, I want it to be ready for when we sweep the low. But it's like, I can't be doing that. It's no bueno. You have an SMT. Yes, it's just swept 5 minute lows. I would have literally made like over 1,000 right now because I entered like right there. Yeah, I'm embarrassed as shit. I'm upset as shit. But it's not gonna change nothing. Just I gotta acknowledge it, like, and not do that again. I gotta learn from it. We're in a good place to break right now. Yes, is dogging on lows. Oh man, bro. And if I hadn't lost that first trade, I wouldn't have like done that. But like my psychology was so bad. Break even is gonna be when you fill the gap. 30 second, we broke. This is what's making it impossible to form a gap. We hit that. I don't think it's Statler, yeah. If we hit it before we get the retracement, I can't enter the long. Didn't retrace.
Order filled.
Trace. Break even is gonna be the line. I want the 4-hour high. CP1 is going to be that. Didn't take out break even yet. You got break even. How much should I enter with? Okay, I'll take out 5 over there. 5 at that high. This is gonna be my final trade because I know if this shit got stopped at break even, it would mess with me mentally. Since we're so close to my take profit, I wouldn't feel comfortable entering with my ability to execute properly because I already had too much like rushes. Like that whole first, I missed out on that short. Yeah. So let's hope we go up from here. I'm gonna just accept it. Yeah, there's an SMT at this 1 minute high. I kind of want nasdaq to continue to take out highs so I could just hang ready. I low-key think this is gonna win. You just respected a win and you got. We're mad close to my take profit. Yes, took out 5 minute lows. Nasdaq didn't. Nasdaq got a clean break, reacted quickly to it. I just want us to shoot like here right now. And then take out the 4 hour. While we're at it. So it'll be ripped to the upside. All I can do is hope we sweep that. Disrespected it. Not completely, actually. We need to close a little bit to this. Like, call it disrespect. To say we disrespected it, we have to close a little bit. Let's take it. Nasdaq. Oh my gosh. You're right there. I genuinely believe in this long. I genuinely believe in it. I really want it to go up. I entered it really believing it would go up. It's, and of course, okay, you made the wick. Let's go up now. You took out lows. Okay. Yes, there's no more reasons to go down. Let's go up. Wow. I genuinely should just hop off, bro. Like, there's no way this just happened to me. There's no way, bro. Like genuinely, like I got so unlucky today. And
Order filled.
right, so I'm hopping off. This is how close we got to my take profit. I'm gonna hop off. Not a good day for me. Just like mentally, regular loss, but